This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it
Today we
by
have
yourself.
a Miele Incognito dishwasher, and it has this, most of the models have this pretty cool thing where you can change the height of the basket. You go up higher like that, you can go back down lower, and works pretty good. This was a pretty old dishwasher, but our lever on this side broke, so I've ordered some of these online from Amazon. This came from I'm sorry, not Amazon, but from Miele USA, and I'm going to be installing these on this one, show you guys how to do it. The part number for this is, you can get this from Miele USA. Part number is 10730-981. And to do this, I'm just going to lift this basket out to get easier to work on it. So I'll tilt it up at an angle like that, lift and kind of pull, and then I'll do the same thing on the last part. Pull it out, get this up on a working surface, and let's see if we can get this thing put on. So on this side, it's missing the part. These are actually, I think, right and left, I believe. I think they're a little bit different. Let's see, so it probably has an L or R. Let's see if we can match these. So that is for the left, and this one must be for the right. This one is part number 10730-991, so this is the one for the left side. So this is a dishwasher that's been through so many cycles, really hot cycles, and this plastic just finally gave way, but lasted a long time. So it looks like we have to get this mouth to go inside that slot, right? And then we got to get this over the plastic, over these rungs. Same with the one down here. I'm just going to push those in until they click. It's a little more force. So to make this a little bit easier, I might recommend we put a little bit of lubricant right there, because there's a clip that pretty hard to snap in. Sometimes you can put a little bit of oil in there, can help. Just a drop or two should be good. There we go. Alright, should make it easier. So this is on, if we're looking at the basket from the top, this would be on your right hand side. I'm going to feed this metal part into the slot and get this in position. Look at it from over here, and we're going to get that on top of the rungs, and we're going to push down, make it click in. Yeah, so that actually went in a lot easier by using that lubrication. But we got it. So this thing will control how far up and down this thing can move. And that locks in there, or can lock in there. That's the basket being the highest. That's the mid-level right there. And that's the basket's the lowest. Pretty cool. So we'll do the same thing on the other side. And to get the old one out, okay, you get to go up to disconnect. They're in there pretty good. It takes a fair amount of force to get that thing to come out. There it goes. It's the old one's not in that bad shape, a little cracked. Still has a spring-loaded feature. So this is the one on the left side, and we're going to lubricate that one part. See if we can show you guys. It's on underneath here. There's a little plastic tab, and that's what locks it in. Just put lubricant in there. Okay, so I want to get this metal piece to go inside this slot, right? And line it up. If it doesn't line up, you can take this metal thing and slide it, right, to get it where you want it. All right, now I got to come up a little bit first to get it over, and then I'll push down. It took a bit of force to get this to come down the other side. There we go, that clicked in. Okay, that's cool. And we have both sides in. We're going to go ahead and put this back in. This is a time too where you can look at your upper spray arm. Just look and make sure that all those holes are clear. It looks really good. So to put this back in, we're going to come in at an angle. Get the back wheels over. Wiggle them, get them in, there we go. And then we're going to get the top one to go in at an angle. That's it. Alright, so now if you want to lift up the basket, you just lift up these levers. Lift it up where you want it, let go, and that locks it in, raises it up nice and high. That could allow for more room for like frying pans or cutting boards. If you had something big up here though, you can lift up on these levers and then let it go all the way down. Now you have more room up here. So it kind of depends on your configuration. Pretty cool though. So those came from Miele USA. Should just take you a few minutes to install them. I think that lubrication really helped. And we had two different part numbers. Almost the same. So the beginning's the same. There's 10 10730 That's the one on the right side. The one on the left side is 10730 So this is 991, the right side is 981.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.